I can't wait for us to get started with our 31 days of yoga core strengthening, but maybe I should tell you a little bit about it first. What is the number one thing you need for our 31 days of core yoga strengthening? Motivation. So here's what you get when you sign up. Stay motivated, number one. Every day you'll receive an email that lets you know what that day's yoga video is going to be all about. And then rather than only focusing on crunches and sit-ups, each day our yoga video will focus on a different part of the core and how it works in harmony with the rest of the body. Focusing on proper technique, really paying attention to our alignment, our breathing, and the sensations in the body. Everything that's essential for true core strength. This email will also include an easy off-the-mat activity to do complement the theme for the day. Number 3, you'll receive a weekly inspirational quote to inspire you. And number 4, you will receive access to the hundreds of yoga videos in our streaming library for the entire month. So go to www.yogawithjanine.com and sign up for the 31 days of yoga core strengthening today. I can't wait to join you on this journey towards a stronger core. Namaste.